program. Today, I am standing before you to speak my thoughts in a meaningful opinion, that is the role of youth in nation's development. Youth is the age of energy, dreams, and courage. No country can move forward without any strong youth. We are the youth and we are the powers. We have the courage to think differently and act bravely. So, why we are the crucial thing for the nation's development? Firstly, youth have played important role in education and knowledge. Education is the foundation of national development. When youth study harder and gain skill, they can be doctors, engineers, pilots, and scientists. We should give youth opportunities to study. Many countries like Japan, America, Singapore has given very amazing opportunities for youth, and they are developing their country. Secondly, the youth has also played a vital role in social development. Many problems like caste discrimination, corruption, gender inequality, and some other abuses has been still lingering around our society. Youth have the courage to say no. For example, we can see Genji's protest. They literally turned the government upside down because the government has disappointed Nepal in many ways. And thirdly, youth has also played very vital role in economic development. Youth are engineers. They are the future leaders. We should give them many type of opportunities. Nepal is one of those countries who has most of the brain drain. Youth are going from Nepal to abroad for better opportunities because they think that the abroad has fascinating opportunities than Nepal. This is a really disappointment, and the government should do some work and give them resources because youth have fresh ideas and they know how to act bravely. They can start their own businesses and become entrepreneurs and independent. Youth also have important role in maintaining discipline and national unity. True development is not only about roads and buildings, it is also about moral values. Fighting with each other can cause the nation to be weak, but unity makes us strong. Our Nepal has different types of languages, cultures, traditions, and we youth are the ones who are responsible for them to protect it, promote it. We are the one who is responsible for the harmony. But the fate of the nation is in our hands, but it is also a truth that how we use it. The choice is ours. If you don't do hard work today, then our nation might fail in the future. Our nation should be respected when our youth do work.